I'm Eloise. Before I came to Dr. Garvey, I was having extreme pain in my lower back and in both shoulders. My right shoulder was to such an extent I had to hold it up with my left hand in order to do my hair. And I came to Dr. Garvey, and he worked on my back and got it straight, and then he proceeded to work on my shoulder, and the pain just subsided after about 3 or 4 months. I was doing great. And now he continues to work on my shoulder and keeps me aligned, and everything is just fine now. And I will recommend him to anybody. He does a fantastic job, and I am doing just super good. And I thank Dr. Garvey and his team because they have really worked with me and gotten me on the road where I can just keep on doing my own work without help from anyone else. I can do my own lifting, and I am in great shape thanks to Dr. Garvey.